What's going on, everybody? It's Joe Giunta with Trend Trading Academy. I'm here to help you trade and get paid. Today is the first of our Forex Forecast, the weekly chart analysis I'm going to do each week to kind of help you make sure as we release them for the new market week, I'm trying to help you make sure you understand what's going on, what we should be kind of expecting, and you know, kind of really helping you out, really just giving you some more value, showing you what's going to be happening over the next week. Now remember this little disclaimer. Look, nobody knows from day to day what's going to happen. I don't know, there might be gaps in the market, there might be all kind of unexpected things. I'm showing you based on technical analysis what we should be expecting for the market to do. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We want to make sure that everybody gets an opportunity to see these videos, and I'm going to be doing these every week to kind of give you a heads up on where we expect to be in the market. Now I'm giving you a lot of value here, but I will tell you, I'm giving entries, exits, and everything else to our Trend Trading Academy students. So I'm giving YouTube value. I'm going to give you something you can use. I'm not just giving you some kind of like bait and switch here, I promise. But I will tell you, I'm giving everything I got to the Trend Trading students. So if you want to become a TTA student, go to trendtrading.academy and you're going to be able to see even beyond what I'm showing here. So for now, let's get to the charts. All right, guys, so we're looking at GBP AUD. This is the 30-minute chart. I want to kind of give you an idea of where I'm looking and what I'm looking to do in the upcoming week. Now, remember, there may be gaps in the market. There may be abnormalities. I'm just looking at technical analysis. And, of course, you know, anything can happen. We don't know what's going to happen day to day. There's no guarantees in trading. Any trades you take, you're going to take at your own risk. You know, I'm not trading for you. I'm just kind of showing you what I do. Okay, so let's take a look. I'm looking at the GBP AUD. We got a nice move up right here on the 27th. We're, you know, pushed up this way. And since then, we've had this kind of sideways channel that's been forming. Now, what's interesting is, as anybody who knows me knows, that I don't trade based on just what I see in front of me. I need to see the bigger picture. That's like, you know, you really need to see bigger understanding, bigger movement, bigger picture if you're going to really understand where to find entries and all that kind of stuff. So what we're going to do is, if you look here, if you kind of look, you can see we've been super bullish, big time bullish in the market. And, you know, when you look at that, that's a lot of movement. You can see here, just on the 30-minute chart from top to bottom, you know, we've moved in a range of, you know, 700 pips. So that's pretty awesome. But really, to get the big picture, I want to take you to the weekly chart and give you a full understanding of why I am the way I am on GA. So when we look at GA here, let me spread this out a little bit so you can see it real good. All right. When we look at this, we see that we actually had a big channel that was like years old, you know, back since 2016. And we had all this COVID movement up here, a lot of abnormality when we broke out at the top, fake out. This is the level we found normality at. This is where we had structure prior to all the COVID stuff and all that, and the fires and all the things that went on. And so after we kind of settled in, this is where normality came back to right here. And this is the level of structure that we really wanted to be at. So really, in essence, we're kind of like canceling all this kind of stuff out. We're just kind of acting like that didn't happen. All right. So, and yes, you can do that because we look for structure, repeated structure, not just crazy moves that happen in the market. So since then, we dropped down strong, and then we've been going sideways for about a year. And you can see we had like a little rounded bottom here. And I told the team, I said, when we get to 1845, now watch, I'm going to drop this line randomly, okay? I'm going to set the number on it, 1.845. And look, I told the team way back here, like when we were down in this area, I said, when we come back and have a true breakout of the 1845, we're going to be looking for a swing entry. And maybe in here, we thought potentially it could be a head and shoulders, but it pushed down and rejected and no. So we got this rounded bottom, and then here you see we got a breakout, and we haven't had a bearish week since. We've literally not had a single bearish week since we had a breakout on 1845. Now, because of structure, we were looking to come back into this area somewhere between like here, right? Because this is where structure was. So in this area right here is where we are targeting, where we think we're going to get to. So think about that on the swing that we're in now, catching, buying all the dips. We're talking between 800, 900, almost 1,000 pips. So, you know, that's a lot of movement, a lot of great opportunity right there. And so we're excited about that. Now, we are about halfway done with that right now. So you would think at some point there may be a pullback. But that's why I'm bullish on GA right now, because I'm going to give you one last thing to kind of consider. If this is normality and this is a rounded bottom and it does come up and complete like I think it will, then, man, wouldn't that be an awesome opportunity for a teacup and give us the ability to push up into here? Wouldn't that be awesome? So I don't know if that's going to happen yet. Obviously, we're kind of projecting a little bit. But I do know for now, I'm bullish on GA. I think GA is bullish. I'm sticking with that right now because I think that we are going to at least try to reject this area in the 193 to 195-ish area, because I think that's where structure is leading us, okay? Once we have that, we could possibly see some pullbacks, and we may see some pullbacks along the way. Obviously, something can't just stay in one direction forever. So we will expect some level, maybe some small pullbacks in here as it works its way up. But right now, at this level right here, I'm looking bullish on GA with possible pullbacks coming in the market to offer the buyers better price points to continue pushing the market up. And that's where I'm at on GA. Now, if you want the rest, entries, exits, and all that, make sure you jump on board with TTA. We're giving everything we know on TTA. We're literally giving entries, exits. We're doing trade setups. You know, we're trading in the community. We're doing all kinds of crazy stuff, and the team is winning. So make sure, if you want to see like complete in detail analysis, I want you to jump on trendtrading.academy and become a student. For now, guys, I hope this helps you in what we're expecting to see for this coming week, and I'll see you next week, and we'll do it again.